Signature have been fantastic. This has definitely been one of the best companies I've worked for. I really feel valued as an employee. I feel that I'm listened to. I really feel like I can make a difference here at Signature of Banstead.
I've had really, really good training. I think Signature training is incredibly thorough, and you can revisit training. It's done every single year as well. Our skills are updated regularly, and I do feel supportive. If there's anything I don't know how to do or I need extra training for something, also you can be individually supported in that way, or if you want to be stretched, for instance, with extra dementia care or whatever it is that you're interested in, they will support you.
If you love people and you love caring and you love that sense of achievement, then this is the job for you. You know, I walk out of here every day very, very lucky to have a very big family that I get to make a difference to each and everyone's lives. So that itself is just fulfilling and gives me a warm feeling.